Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
you
sir.
can see now.
You can see.
Label space. See, there are 11 objects. So 11 checkboxes. See, only it is giving these checkboxes only. Right? Only checkbox. Can you all see that? So only input tags. So this is how you need to write a CSS selector, and then first get this all of them into one variable, const variable. You can get one const variable. Fetch. I'm just writing fetch all bootstrap checkboxes into a variable. So const. So you can say so input options equal to so await page dot locator, and I just give that CSS selector. Okay, you will get all of them. So how many we got? 11, right? So I can write a assertions. Maybe I'll give assertions maybe tomorrow, but I'll introduce some of them here itself. So they're simple, very simple things. So you don't need. So you know how to do assertions. Expect you have to do expect, and I am expecting these options. These options count. Input options. So to have a count. There is a to have a count. You can see to have a count. How many we have seen with that XPath? 11. So just write that. It's even assertions we are doing some of them. So then even you can write another way also. So let me show you another way to write this the same one. I'm just rewriting. Okay, so with another assertion. So this is the same, you keep it to be 11 I'm expecting, but this length options dot length you need to write. So options dot so length you do, then to be 11 you are expecting. So and so then you can get this, right? You can so use this, either this one or this one, any one you can use. So what is the other way to get all of them? But yeah, so if you another way you can, so let me get it here. Const options equal to, so did anybody can tell me how can you get multiple options? What is the other way?
$.
Double dollar, exactly. Good. So $, you have to use. So I'm just all recollecting one more time for you guys so that you won't forget them. So just put options here. Okay. So this is the second way to assert it. Now you can select so one of them, right? You can select one of them. So how to select those? Let's see. Using above options variable, I can do that. So I can select one of the, so one of them, any, based on the label I can select, right? Based on the label I can select. What you can do, you get based on the label. Okay, get all the, select one option based on label. So what you can do, same thing, just we'll give a different name. Okay, just give a different name. So options, label options. Otherwise, put a label options, and you remove the input box. Basically, I'm getting all the labels. So label options. That's why I given a name, label options. So you got all of them into one variable. Then you loop it. So loop one by one. So you can use a for loop, or so whatever the variable you want. So I can use let. You can give a label name, okay, label of label options. So that means each label, so I'm getting that text, and then that text, so you store in another variable. You have to get each label text. So I can put on another variable, const. Let's get the text of that. Okay, get the text. So text val equal to label await. First await you should not forget. Okay, everything label dot text content. So label dot text content, you have to do that. So now you will get the label text, right? You will get the label text. So now if you want, you can print this value. Text value is declared, but it is value is never used. Okay, anyway, I'll use this later, so don't worry about it. Maybe I'll print it console dot log, and you just print the label. Label name is, and I can just put text value. Sorry, text value. Next. So now I want to select one of them. So which one you choose? So one of them you select, right? Or no, I can select Angular or Java, right? I can select Angular or Java or MySQL. So whatever you want. So any one you want, Angular or Java, then click on them. So click on those two things. If it is available, so if the value is either Angular or Java, you can ask, just click on that. If condition you have to put if condition, if so text val, if text val so includes so either Angular or so text val includes Java. So you can write, whatever, if that label value is equal to any of these things. So await that, no, you can click on that label. So label dot, click it. So this is the one I want to do it. Okay. So that's for selection. But if you want to deselect it, so if you want to deselect it, all for loop and is matching, bracket is missing. So that's why it was giving some error for us. Okay, now deselect the selected one. So how can you deselect? Right? So can you deselect the options? So again, similar way you can get so all those right options. So text, you can get all those options, those text contains, then click on that option. So that's another way you can do. Let's see that. I'm going to deselect this one. So these two, HTML and CSS, I'm going to deselect that. So let's deselect them. First, you get all the options. So already you have on the top, you can use with the same ULLI label we use, right? Here, this one, you can use this one only. So same code you can write, or if you can use for loop, simply use the for loop, right? So same code. I just want to click one more time. I don't need again to fetch all of them. I'll just use for loop, same for loop. And if it includes, so what is this? HTML and CSS. So that is the one, right? HTML, CSS. Yeah. And then click on that label. It will uncheck that. So if it is already selected, it will uncheck that. Okay. Any more bracket is missing? Yes. Loop. This bracket. It started here. It ended here. This one started here. Ending here. Yeah. Perfect. We are good. And why it's showing error? Okay. Yeah. So that's all about bootstrap checkboxes. If you get like that, you can fetch all of them and then so use so label based or input, which one you want, you just see that. So let's run this. This one, right? It's not here. Okay. Now npx playwright, and you can just test. So run in here. So test script you can run directly, or you can see, you can give the test name also. This test name also you can give. And hyphen headed and project equal to Chromium. I'm running only on Chromium. Otherwise it is going to run 9 tests. Why? Chromium. Why other tests are running?
Before project, we need to hyphen project.
Okay, it is selected what we want. But why others are triggering? I don't understand. What is the command? We made a mistake. I think the test name we should give that, but it is running all of them. 2B. Oh, okay. That's what there is a mistake. 2B, E is missing. That's what it is throwing some error. But yeah, so this is all wrong. We don't want that. There are some errors. Bootstrap down. I'll give this complete handle bootstrap. Let me copy this. Based on the test also it should run, but somehow it is not run. Spec.js.
And before project, if we don't mention hyphen hyphen also, is it okay? Will it run in only Chromium?
Yeah, it should run only Chromium. Yeah, it is unchecked, right? It is working fine. But other browsers, why it is running? See, Angular, Java, it is selecting. But other browsers, why it is running? We are given only Chromium.
Sir, but before project, there should be a hyphen hyphen.
Hyphen spec, huh? I think we
No,
have
no,
to.
no, no.
No need of
Like
spec.
hyphen hyphen headed.
Yeah, we are given hyphen added.
No, no, no. Like hyphen hyphen headed, there should be hyphen hyphen project.
Okay, yeah, maybe we missed that. Yeah, now it is running perfectly. Only on Chrome. Okay, perfect. See, all the values are printed also. Okay, any questions here? But here 2 times you are printing. Make sure you are not printing 2 times. Okay, unnecessarily. So that will confuse you. One time printing is fine, not multiple times. So only one time you print. Okay. Yeah. So that is the one.
In the
So,
code, in the line number 34, it is showing error. But
no,
it
that
is
is
running
not.
successfully.
That is not an error. So syntax at unexpected token 35. Yes, something is file.
Semicolon?
We don't need semicolon.
Okay.
This one.
Once we close the VS Code, it will resolve, sir.
Yeah, sometimes, yeah, might be. It's okay. So that's not an issue, but code is no perfect one. So we don't want to waste time. Let's move on to the next scenario. Any questions here before moving on to the next scenario?
No, sir. Good.
Okay. So let me show you one more scenario. How to handle autocomplete with the keys, uh, pressing the keys, and also how to do that. Let's do quickly this one and then we'll jump on to the checkboxes, how to handle. I think checkboxes we did already, right? Check and uncheck and validations. Have you done that or no? Radio buttons. Can you confirm?
Select options. So using select options, right? Using select options, we have done it, sir. Yeah.
That is
Nice.
not drop down, right? That is drop down is different. Checkboxes and radio buttons are different.
Yeah. Then we don't, sir. Last time drop down.
We haven't done that much.
We haven't done. Okay, okay, good. See that this is the one, auto suggestions, right? When you type, you will get the all the auto suggestions. When you type one letter, two letters, or one word, or multiple words, like in the Google also, when you type something, Google suggestions will show. So these are the suggestions. So these are auto suggestions, right? So based on this, we need to either you can see, you can arrow press, arrow down, then you can select it. So that's the, so if you, how many times you press, that many, it will select that. Two presses, so that's a key press, like in Selenium. Here you can just press key you can use. First you need to type the just one letter, right? One letter if you type, all that related you will get it, and you choose one of them, right? But this one, yeah, first to type you need this locator. Just get this locator first, and so take, if you have a doubt, take the help of selector sub. Okay, this will also give you properly. Now this is a proper, because no numbers, nothing, right? So it's not hard coding, they are giving properly. It's a input box, so they are giving ID, you take ID. So with proper ID you can handle this. Directly ID you can use. So how to use direct ID? I have shown you, right, how to use properties. So you want me to show again one more time? Properties, your name, completely name you can give. Let me give you complete name so that you will properties, how to give to identify an element. So first take this and write the code. Just so what is that? How to handle autocomplete. Handle autocomplete. Dot spec dot js. So const, so test block and expect package and equal to require so playwright test. Then immediately start the test block. So in the test block first, so that one is autocomplete. So just give the name async and put the promise. So it has to resolve it. Arrow function and start the body. So first go to the URL. So let me give the URL. So this URL you need to navigate. So await page dot go to the URL. Next, first enter the character, right? So enter the character to get auto sessions. So then await page dot locator. So I'm going to use, oh, I need to give a name locator, right? So it is name, I'm taking name, you want ID, it's up to you, okay? Whichever one you want to take it. So don't give this, okay? That's enough. So just a name and a value provided. Dot. So you know how to type, right? Fill. So I can just type A. So whatever you want, you can type. I'm not no sure. But how to handle with keyboard? So pressing key and enter key, arrow down key. So work with keyboard keys. I'm just showing a little bit keyboard keys also here. So wait. Just take this dot. There is a keyboard function and keyboard dot press method. So in the press, what you are pressing? Arrow down. So just right. So arrow down, arrow down. So 2 times you do or 3 times you do. How many times you want to move down the arrow? So that many times you press it. For example, I want to select one more. 3 times I am pressing. Then one more time. Then press enter key. Just press enter key. That's it. Simple. And if you want, it just I'll wait for some timeout. Page dot wait for timeout. There is a bottom side you can see. So I'm just timing out 10 seconds. I'll wait. Okay. So let's run this program and whether it is selecting or not, you can see that. So npx playwright handle autocomplete. Complete autocomplete dot spec dot js. Why there is an issue? Line number 3. Unknown engine name. So name is not working. 1 minute. But this should not. Should work. Yeah, let's see. Any property you can give. There is no issue in that. It is complaining. Let's see. If not, we'll write a CSS selector. Yeah. Done, right? Oh, still failed. I think this property is not working. Let's use so input square bracket single quote. It should work, but yeah, properties ID property definitely it will work. So you just give ID property, it will work. So okay, so this has a lot of, see what is the issue here. Okay, oh, oops. It has a lot of locators with this. We have to take a unique one. Let's take a unique one. That is simple ID. So we don't want to waste time unnecessarily. Sorry guys, we're just so simple. Let's go. This should be unique. It should not be any duplicates. So Playwright is very strict. So if any duplicate finds for the element you are looking, and it won't encourage, it will fail their own. See, Albania selected. 3 times it went down and selected. Yeah. So next, but that's not the right. We cannot give arrow down, arrow down. How many arrow downs you will give? Is this the right approach? No, right? It's not the right approach. But let's see, I want to select something, Algeria. So what is that? You can see here, LA tag, all UL LA tags. UL LA tags. And Algeria, if you want to select, there is ID, default. But again, so this is the one you can fetch all of them and you can select which value you want to select. You can do that. So that's a best option. Even you can try just giving some which value you want to select, and so in these options you can type something. What is the search value you want? For example, I want to search, right, with a ch with a, so in this, which one you want to select? I want to select Chile, right? Or I want to select Czech Republic. So whatever you want, you can just give that. So we can take one variable and type it here and do that. And at the same, first you have to get all these UL, LI, you do that. You get all of them into one variable, right? One variable you get it. And then, so see, let me see what is, there is ID. You can see that ID very clearly, they are given IDs nicely. And you can write UL hash ID value greater than LI. Oh, sorry. Greater than LI. See that 11 elements are there. So all these 11 elements. So it is showing all LI tags. It is just, so giving all LI tags. You can see here 11 LI tags are there. So fetch all of them into one variable, then iterate it, right? So iterate that. First so you can fill or type whatever you want, you can do that. So I'm going to use the type method. Already we use it here, right? Let me comment out this. Or you want me, I'll write, so let me comment out this, okay? Then I'll write a new code here. Sorry. But this is not the right approach. I just explained to you how to use keys, but a little bit you can use, not for the multiple. So I'm going to type the value first. Take two variables, okay? Take two variables. So one is const. What is the search value? So what is the search value? So maybe I'm giving the search value is ch. Okay. So which value you want to select? Const select value. So what is the value you want to select? I want to select Chile, right? So is this the same or not? You check it. CHILE. So I'll just give capital letters. Chile. Okay. Then you type it. Wait. and page dot locator, I'll just give, after typing we need to give some wait time also, right? So I'm going to give that type wait 2 times. Oh, type is now, it is showing a deprecated, but yeah, you can use, not an issue. Search value, and then you can give comma. So you can just tell what is the delay, how much delay you want after typing. So I'm just giving just 100 so milliseconds or something, just giving a little bit wait. Now you get all the autocomplete sessions after. So get all the autocomplete sessions. So const, so you take that, so values into await page dot, so you can do page dot locator or page dot double dollar. So let me write the locator, and you can try while practicing with that. So just copy paste this. Okay, it will fetch all of them into this. If you want the count, you can just put a, so the count, values count, I can put values count equal to, so await, so values dot count. See, that's very easy, these methods. Next, iterate through all the sessions. So iterate through